about how objects are created. First of all, what is object? It is the basic unit of object-oriented programming and it represents the real-life entities. Real-life entities share two characteristics. They all have attributes and behavior. And objects consist of state. It is represented by attributes of an object. It also shows properties of an object. Behavior. It is represented by methods of an object. It shows response of an object with other objects. And identity. It gives a unique name to an object. It also grants permission to one object to interact with other objects. What are the different ways to create objects? The first one is using new keyword. It is the simplest way to create object. By this method, the desired constructor can be called and its syntax is class name reference variable is equals to new class name. Second one is using class.forName. There is a predefined class in java.lang.package with name class. The forName string class name method returns the class object associated with the class with the given string name. We have to give the fully qualified name of a class. On calling new instance method on this class, objects returns new instance of the class with the string name. Creating object of public class test. Consider class test present in com.p1 package. So we can use it by test object is equals to test class.forName and the name of the class, that is com.pi.test new instance. In this method we can also create the object. Test object is the class name and class.forName is the method name and com.p1 is the package name and .test is a class name, and new instance is used to create the object. Next is clone method. Clone method is present in object class. It creates and return a copy of the object. Creating object of class test. Test T1 is equals to new test. Creating clone of above object. Test T2 is equals to test T1 dot clone. Let's see an example how we can create an object. We all know that objects in Java are created by multiple ways. Let's see the one of the way for object creation, that is with the help of new keyword. Let's see it. First of all, we make a class that is object ex, and inside the class we declare or initialize an instance variable that is int x is equals to 5. And inside the main method we just create an object with the help of new keyword. First of all, for object creation we take the class name object es and the reference variable for object, that is o1 is equals to new and again the class name object ex. So this is the object 1. And again we took the value, that is object es, the class name and the variable, that is reference variable o2 is equals to new and again object ex. So it will create the object 2. Whenever we just write the class name reference variable and with the help of new keyword we just create a new object, and then we just simply print the system.out.println o1.x and o2.x. Let's execute it. Zavac object ex.java. Hence it compiles successfully. Let's execute it. Java object ex. it will give the value 5, 5 because the object both o1.x and o2.x both can access the value 5 because both two new objects are created here, and it will give the value 5 and both will give the result 5. So in this way object is created. Thank you.